Hey y'all, I'm back, and right now I'm about to either mold my hair to put in a ponytail, or I'm gonna mold it to do the weave, which I don't know which one I want to do right now. So first thing I want to do is put a part in the center of my head, just in case. Well, this works for both styles. So either I'm gonna put the ponytail in, which I don't mind having a part, and I be having such a hard time parting. I don't know if it's my head or just me. Um, that part quicker as hell. I don't have good luck with parts. So, y'all, I tell you what though, I'm not gonna spend all day trying to part this shit. Okay, so mm, mm, mm. My hair. It's my hair. My hair won't lay right. Okay, that's about as straight as my part gonna get. So we ain't gonna worry about it. And I'm trying to comb it out. I should have used my big comb, but I don't feel like going back in the bathroom to get it. So, and I'm trying to hurry up and do my hair, which is wrong because I shouldn't be yanking on my hair like this. But whatever. Okay, but my hair curly and it's hard to lay that stuff down, y'all. So I have to do it. Whatever. Okay, so now I need my ponytail holder. I got one. I need another one. I got this black one. I don't know how good that's gonna work. Okay, so I got my brush and I'm brushing it. What I did with that ponytail holder? Okay, brushing it down. Doing the same thing on the other side. What I am happy about, y'all, is that I'm not even thinking about a cigarette right now. Like, I'm thinking about how good I'm doing not smoking a cigarette right now. Okay, so, and then I'm going to use the Eco Professional Styling Gel, and this is the yellow one, which is for all hair types. Yeah, I heard some stuff about Eco Gel. I don't believe every damn thing I hear though. But here's the Eco Gel that I'm using. Okay. I use a generous amount because it takes a generous amount to lay my hair down. Okay. You think that you're better now, better now. Not around, not around. Okay, so the only thing about this mold, I mean, it works for both styles, but if I decide to put the ponytail in, I gotta put my little sides down on the side. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna have to put my little sides down anyway, just in case I decide to wear the ponytail today. And I'm gelling it all the way around. All the way around. And see, then I can take that closure that got that middle part and just put it right smack on the middle of my head. Okay, so I got the gel. Okay. Whew. That takes some work, y'all. I'm gonna take this comb right here, and on the sides right there, I'm just gonna pull it down and then pull one down on that side. And then I'm gonna take the brush so I can put this in the ponytail. I don't think that you're better now. Alright. Ponytail. No, I need more than one, so I'm gonna take this other one and do a different texture and double up on it. Tie. Let's tie this up and get it. And there we go. My ponytail is molded. I don't know what these hairs in the front trying to do. My hair be trying to do its own thing, y'all. Curly, untamable hair. That's why I be having to put so much gel, because I lay the stuff down, you know. I need it to stay down. I'm gonna lay it down. Okay. Dang. Woo. Okay, so I'm done with the mold. Some more green tea. Okay. And again, what it is? Okay, I got this blow dryer right here, and I'm gonna dry this. I'm trying to fix my hair in the front. Okay. The extra little straight hair is just all in the way. Okay. And let me see. I got hair all over the bed. Okay, so I got oil sheen and I got holder spray. So I spray the oil sheen first, because you know holding spray make your hair kind of hard, and I don't like my hair to get real hard, so I use the oil sheen first, then the holder spray, which is a Pantene holder spray, and it's really nice. Okay, just trying to lay that stuff down, y'all. Just trying to lay it down, and then I'm gonna blow dry it, and then I'm gonna be back. Hey y'all, I'm back. So I molded my hair and I blow dried it for the most part. It's still a little damp, whatever, but I blow dried it for the most part. And right now I'm just putting on my little face, you know, because that's what I do. I put a little bit on. I'm just talking stuff, y'all. I don't really do this like all the time. I'm just like, you know, my eyes looking a little tired right now, you know, because I've been doing all these, you know, hours at work. But I'm just gonna put a little concealer underneath my eye, because y'all know I'm not like no makeup guru or nothing like that there, you know. I put on a little bit every now and then. Okay, so just wanna wake them tired eyes up a little bit. Just a little bit, okay. So I did that, and for the most part that looks okay. This one, let's smear my eyeliner a little bit. We don't need to be smearing this eyeliner because that just make my eyes look darker. So yeah, I think I'm just leave it like that. No biggie, no biggie. Okay, and this hair is so pretty. I can't wait to do this hair, girl. Where's my eyebrow pencil at? What I do with it? I just got stuff everywhere, y'all. Okay, so here's my eyebrow pencil. Look at this closure, y'all. I messed my little closure up. But yeah, so when I do put the hair in, I don't know when I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna use this closure, And what I do is I just basically lay it on top of my own part like that. And I put some of the Roberts Diamond Bar Protective Shield. Cut the lace off right there. And that's it. Okay. So, and I lost my new glasses, y'all. The last time I remember them was in the car. Unless I left them at work at one of them workstations. And if I did that, then I could forget about it. They just gone. Okay, so I had the most hardest time. Trying to open these down. These eyeliners. This damn plastic. Okay. It seems like when I'm in a rush, everything be moving slow as hell. I want to at least, excuse me, I want to at least make my bed before I go. Okay, so, this is the eyebrow pencil, and it look like it's kind of going like in a slant. Y'all see that? That's nice. Hope it don't break right away. But so. Okay, I usually put like a white pencil like underneath my brow to make it have a cleaner finish, but it's hard to do this in the computer. Wait 1 second.